Artificial intelligence was asked to create images of black African doctors treating white kids. Yeah, how'd that go? Artificial intelligence, also known as AI, has become increasingly sophisticated in recent years, and it is now being used in a wide range of applications, from self-driving cars to medical diagnosis. However, artificial intelligence is still under development and can sometimes produce results that are biased or inaccurate. One example of this is a recent experiment in which AI was asked to generate images of black African doctors treating white children. The results were disappointing, with many of the images showing the doctors in stereotypical or subservient roles. The experiment was conducted by researchers at the University of Washington who wanted to see how AI would respond to a prompt that was both specific and potentially biased. They asked artificial intelligence to generate images of a black African doctor treating a sick white child. The AI produced a variety of images, but many of them were problematic. In some images, the doctor was shown kneeling before the child's parents or looking up at them in a subservient manner. In other images, the doctor was shown with a stethoscope around their neck, but in a way that suggested they were incompetent or unsure of themselves. The researchers were concerned about the results of the experiment, as they suggested AI systems may be biased against black people, even when they are explicitly asked to generate images that are not biased. Lead researcher Dr. Kate Crawford said, and I quote, "We found that AI systems can generate images that are both stereotypical and harmful. This is a serious problem, as AI systems are increasingly being used in decision-making processes that affect people's lives." The researchers believe that the results of the experiment highlight the importance of testing AI systems for bias before they are deployed in the real world. They also call for more diversity in the teams that develop and deploy AI systems. So why is AI bias a problem? AI bias can be problematic for a number of reasons. It can lead to inaccurate or unfair decisions. For example, an AI system that is biased against black people may be less likely to recommend them for jobs or loans. AI bias can perpetuate harmful stereotypes. An AI system that generates images of black doctors in a subservient role may reinforce the stereotype that black people are not as intelligent or capable as white people. Also, AI bias can erode trust in the artificial intelligence systems. If people believe that AI systems are biased, they may be less likely to use them or trust their decisions. Well, what can be done to fix this AI bias problem? Well, there are a number of things that can be done to mitigate AI bias. AI systems need to be trained on data that is representative of the population they will be used for. For example, if an AI system is going to be used to make decisions about hiring, it needs to be trained on data that includes people of all races, all genders, and all socioeconomic backgrounds. AI systems need to be tested for bias before they are deployed in the real world. This can be done by using a variety of techniques, such as human-in-the-loop testing or adversarial testing. AI systems need to be transparent and accountable. People should be able to understand how AI systems make decisions and should be able to challenge those decisions if they believe they are unfair. AI bias is a serious problem, but it is one that can be mitigated. By taking steps to ensure that AI systems are trained on representative data, tested for bias, and transparent and accountable, we can help ensure that artificial intelligence is used in a fair and responsible way. Here's a little extra for my tech-savvy viewers. In addition to what we've already talked about, there are a number of other things that can be done to mitigate AI bias. For example, AI systems can be designed to be more robust to adversarial examples. Adversarial examples are inputs that are carefully designed to fool AI systems into making incorrect predictions. AI systems can also be designed to be more explainable. Explainable artificial intelligence systems can provide explanations for their predictions, which can help people to understand and challenge those predictions. Yes, AI systems can be deployed in a responsible way. For example, AI systems can be deployed in conjunction with human decision makers who can provide oversight and ensure that the AI system is making a fair and accurate decision. When I first came across this, I said to myself, no way. I use AI generation all the time and I usually get what I want after playing around with the prompts. So I generated all of the images in this video in an attempt to create a black doctor caring for sick white children. I used a variation of descriptive words and phrases to get AI to produce what I was looking for. I even tried to get it to show the child in different nationalities and ethnicities. My takeaway is that artificial intelligence failed miserably. The non-black child it was able to show being taken care of by a black doctor was an Asian child, as you can see. I don't think AI itself is racist. It's trained on information that's fed into it, and if the training is flawed, it should be expected that the output has the potential to be flawed. Prompt engineering is another thing to be considered. Every prompt will not get you the desired results every time. I've noticed that sometimes you have to talk to artificial intelligence in just the right way to get it to do what you want to do. If you gained any value from this video, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for all of the latest tech news.